Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to introduce a basic but very practical feature, the project list. Some beginners using EasyEDA may have trouble locating their newly created or existing projects, so let's walk through it briefly. In EasyEDA Pro, you can find the project list on the left panel. This section displays all projects under your current accounting, including projects you created and team projects you joined. Simply double-click any project to open it. Now let's look at two commonly used operations. First, switching the workspace. At the top, you can choose between your personal workspace or different team workspaces. Once switched, the project list below will update accordingly. If you have many projects, you can use the search bar to enter keywords. The system will quickly locate the project you need, which greatly improves efficiency. By right-clicking on a project, you will see more options such as Refresh, Open Project, Open in New Window, and Project Management. This function covers most daily project management needs, and version management is especially important for team collaboration. To summarize, the project list is not only the entry point for your projects, but also the core area for project management and team collaboration. If you are not familiar with those operations yet, try them out yourself. It's the fastest way to learn. That's all for this video. See you next time.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.